What's up, Wayne Barron here with DarkEffects.net, and as you can see, we have a web page up of space. And as you can see here, right up here it says click on planet to view its information. Come over here, you click on Mercury. It tells you how fast Mercury spins around the sun. It tells you how far Mercury is from the sun and how far it is from the Earth. Come over here, you click on Venus. It gives you the same information about Venus. And then Earth, of course, Earth is not going to let you know how far Earth is from Earth. And then we have Mars. Gives you their information, or its information. There's Martians. And then we've got Jupiter. And then we've got Saturn with its rings at 1.2 billion kilometers away from, or kilometers, or whichever one it is, from Earth. And then we've got Uranus. And then we have Mars. And then we have the planet that they say is no longer a planet. We have Pluto, which is a dwarf planet, which they say is no longer in the mix of these planets. You know something? I think Popeye would be pissed off about that one. But anyway, this is not just a click and find information about project. This is actually something more. And as you see, each planet goes its approximate speed around the sun. And as you can see, the planet that is furthest away, which is Pluto, the dwarf planet, it is the slowest. The fastest, of course, is going to be that little guy right there. And then Earth is the third. So it takes 365 days for Earth to circle the sun. However, we are doing it in less than about what? Maybe 1, 2, about 3 seconds. And so this right here is a project that I am currently working on, that I will be releasing a video lesson on sometime within the next week or so. There's still more that I want to add to it. I want to make it something just a little bit more spectacular. Like, for one, it just jumped right then, which was the rotation. I need to make it to where it's just a little bit smoother of a rotation and than what it actually was from whenever it jumps from one section to the next. But there's so much that I want to do with this project. I will, like I said, I will be releasing a lesson on it within the next week or two. This is inside of Adobe Edge Animate. Yes, people, this is actually a website. And so, but anyway, this will be released very shortly. We can have rotating planets all over the place, and whenever I release the lesson, I will release all of the planets in the background. However, I may not release the code for it, because I want people to actually follow the lesson and learn how to make it. Later on, I will release the code, but it won't be no time soon. But anyway, this is Wayne Barron with DarkEffects.net inside of Adobe Edge Animate. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.